In this video, I'll show you how to swap BTC to SOL on Phantom Wallet. Before we begin, it is important to understand that BTC and SOL are on different blockchains. BTC is the native coin of the Bitcoin network, while SOL is the native coin of Solana. Depending on the type of BTC you hold and the swap routes available, Phantom may or may not allow a direct swap to SOL. First, open Phantom Wallet and make sure you are using the correct account. Next, check what type of BTC you have in your wallet. It may be native Bitcoin, wrapped Bitcoin, or another version of BTC on a supported network. The available swap options depend on the asset and network. Now go to the Phantom home screen and tap Swap. In the You Pay field, select BTC. In the You Receive field, search for SOL. Enter the amount of BTC you want to swap. Phantom will try to find an available route and show you an estimated amount of SOL, along with fees, price impact, and exchange rate. Before confirming, review the details carefully. Since BTC and SOL are on different networks, the swap may involve a cross-chain route or third-party provider. This can take longer than a normal same-network swap and may include higher fees. If Phantom does not show SOL as an option, then a direct BTC to SOL swap is not available at that time. In that case, you can use a trusted exchange. Send BTC to the exchange, trade it for SOL, and then withdraw SOL to Phantom using the Solana network. If the swap is available, tap Review and confirm. After it completes, your SOL balance should appear in Phantom. If SOL does not show right away, refresh the wallet or check your transaction history. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.